Hey, how's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. Guys, going over chapter 2 or secret number 2 in the Traffic Secrets book. We're going to be going over the Dream 100 and where are your customers actually hiding. So as you guys know, I'm doing a live video almost every single day going over all the chapters or the secrets in the Traffic Secrets book. I want to be able to teach you guys all the concepts as I'm learning as well. So it's kind of, as I'm learning, I'm teaching you guys in the same day. So I'm really excited to teach you guys in these next 20 days. If you guys watched the live video from yesterday, we were talking about who is your dream customer. And then today we're going to be talking about where is your dream customer and the Dream 100. So I'm going to be talking about that, guys. And so I'm just going to be waiting a few minutes for some people to get on, and we'll go from there. So give me 1 second. Let me make sure everything's pulling up. Can you guys hear me okay? And we'll go ahead and get started here. Okay, cool. Looks like I'm live. We got some people on. Yeah, and guys, I don't want these videos to be too long. I try to keep them, under 20 minutes, and I just really want to dive deep into every single chapter. That way you guys understand how the traffic works. And a lot of people are asking me, well, will this work for my affiliate marketing business? Well, honestly, guys, it works for any business, right? If you know how to drive traffic, and like the right traffic to your businesses, it doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, your own courses, your consulting, it doesn't really matter, even local businesses. If you know how to drive traffic, it becomes really, really powerful. Okay. So if you guys missed day 1, which was yesterday on who your dream customers, make sure to watch that on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting all the videos in there. And then, yeah, and then like I said, every day we're going to be going live. So it looks like we've got some people on, guys. Looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to share my screen here, and we'll go ahead and get started now. Okay, perfect. So really excited about this one, guys. It's starting to get, we're going to start getting into the strategy later. But, obviously we want to start with the foundations, right? So yesterday we talked about who are your dream customers. We, hopefully did the exercise that I gave you guys. And right now I want to talk about secret number 2 is where are they hiding in the Dream 100? Okay, so it's a really cool concept that Russell Brunson talks about in the Traffic Secrets book. All right. So I just want to kind of give you guys an agenda of what we're going to be talking about. Just so I don't want to waste your guys' time, because I know you guys' this time is very valuable. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep these videos as short as possible. Okay. So I'm just going to give you guys an introduction. I'm going to give you guys an exercise, talk about the Dream 100 one-to-one, the Dream 100 one-to-many, how to create your Dream 100 list, the 2 core types of congregations, and where to get started. Okay. All right, guys. So the introduction to this is, you don't want to ask, a lot of people ask, how do I get more traffic to my funnel? Okay. And that's not the question you want to ask. The real question you want to ask is, where are my dream customers congregating? Okay. So a lot of people say, like, how can I generate more traffic? Well, you got to understand, guys, the traffic's already there. Okay. Traffic is already there. You don't have to create traffic. You just have to know where your dream customers are, right? A lot of people just want to create traffic, and that's not how it works, right? People are people. People are going to be, congregating in certain sections based on what your niche is, right? So that's kind of what the type of questions you want to ask is, where are my dream customers at? Okay. All right. So here's some of the questions you can ask. What are the top websites that my dream customers go to? What forums or message boards do they participate in? Who are the influencers they follow on Facebook or Instagram? What podcasts do they listen to? What are the email newsletters they subscribe to? What blogs do they read? What channels are they following on YouTube? What keywords are they searching for on Google to find info? Okay. If you start asking these type of questions, you're going to start realizing and figuring out where are your dream customers at, and how you can find them. Okay. Because when I first started, like I would say the same thing. How do I generate traffic? How do I get more traffic to my funnel? Instead of asking where are my dream customers at, right? So it's really important that you understand that concept. Okay. All right. So Dream 100 one-to-one. Okay, so this was a book by Chet Holmes, The Ultimate Sales Machine. This is a book recommended by Russell Brunson. Really good book. I highly recommend it as well, guys. But basically, the goal of the Dream 100 is to take your ideal buyers from I've never heard of this company to what is this company I keep hearing about to I think I've heard of this company to yes, I do business with that company. Okay. Now, I know a lot of you guys that follow me are mostly affiliate marketers. And I'm going to try to cater this to you guys mostly because, that's why most of you guys follow me on YouTube or Facebook, whatever it is. Okay. But basically the one-to-one is we're starting to reach out to, just one person, okay? One person to talk about our business, talk about our company. And then there's another concept called the Dream 100, one to many. So Russell Brunson talks about this in his book with Tom Bilyeu. I actually saw him at Funnel Hacking Live, which is really cool. He's an awesome entrepreneur. He literally sold his business, his Quest health business, for $1 billion. This he's a beast, guys. But anyways, when people are building a community, they have a real sense of service to that community. We would send free product and say, if you like it, tell people. And if you hate it, tell people that too. Not trying to steer people's comments. Gave us a pretty great recommendation. Okay, so the concept here, guys, is we want to try to start reaching out to people where our congregation is at. Okay, so for example, you want to start building your list, which I'll talk about here in a little bit. But let's just say you have a list of 100 and your top guy is, let's just say for me, it's Russell Brunson or Tony Robbins. You don't want to start there, right? You want to start at kind of the lower bracket. You can start reaching out to them and providing value for those, for their audience, and start reaching their audience. Okay, so whether it's a podcast, YouTube, trying to get someone's email list, a blog, you want to start reaching other people's audience by either giving them a free product, a free service, providing value for those people, whatever it is. As an affiliate marketer, what we can do is, for example, if there's a YouTube channel that you want to collab with, or a Facebook group that you want to collab with, you want to reach out to those owners or those channels, the creators of the channel, and see how you can provide value for their people, and see how you can get people from their network into yours. That's basically what the one to many means. Okay, so creating the Dream 100 list, guys. At Clickfunnels, we don't leverage the Dream 100 approach for traffic. We use it for everything. How do we pick up the market, or how do we pick the market we want to enter? We want to use the Dream 100 to research different markets at niches. Then we narrow it on the ones that best suit us, okay? So at Clickfunnels, guys, they literally grew their company by reaching out to big influencers, even affiliate marketers. Like for me, I promote the Traffic Secrets book. So I wouldn't say I'm the Dream 100. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. But what I'm saying is that's basically how they grew their company, guys. They literally would reach out to these huge influencers on Facebook, YouTube, email, and use their influence to grow their company, okay? So I'm going to show you how to create your Dream 100 list here in a little bit here. So there's two types of congregations. These are the type of questions you want to start asking and think about as far as where are your customers at, okay? So there are interest-based congregations and keyword-based congregations, okay? Now, like I said yesterday in secret number 1, there's a scroller and then there's a searcher, right? So these are the two types of traffic, okay? Interest-based congregations are something like Facebook, Instagram. So people, so you want to look for people who have influence, celebrities, thought leaders, authors, stuff like that. You want to ask questions like, what companies are you following, and what movies, books, and brands are they following as well? Okay, that's kind of interest-based things. Okay, so when you're thinking about Facebook, where are your people at? Like Facebook groups or certain Facebook pages, who are they following? That's the type of questions you want to ask when you're doing interest-based congregations, okay? Now, keywords-based is something more that I do, okay? So it's more like YouTube, blogging. So, you can look at more keyword-based stuff like how to, or the best, or XYZ in hometown. So, for example, for me, my group of people are affiliate marketers. So they're searching things like how to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, or how to build a sales funnel for affiliate marketing, or how to drive traffic with YouTube. Okay, so that's the things you want to start thinking about is, are you, if you're looking at more keyword-based, you want to look at, like how to, or certain keywords, whereas interest-based, you want to see where are these people at, right? So for example, in a Facebook group, say you want to reach somebody from a Facebook group, you want to reach out to that, that owner, admin of the Facebook group, and see how you can provide value for those people in the group, and see how you can get people to basically to know who you are, right? That's basically what that means, okay? Apologize, get some water. Okay, so getting started with the Dream 100, guys. So remember yesterday I talked about the 3 core markets, okay? So there's health, relationships, and wealth, okay? Now, when you're building your Dream 100, you really want to niche down and solve that one problem, right? So for example, I'm just going to talk about the wealth niche, okay? That's kind of what most people that follow me, that's what they're in, right? So in the wealth niche, we look at marketing, right? So inside marketing, we could look at internet marketing or Amazon or e-commerce, sales funnels, Facebook ads. For me, it's affiliate marketing. So for me, if I were doing the Dream 100, I would niche down into, you got wealth. Then under that, we have marketing. Under that, we have affiliate marketing. And I start looking at all the people under that list. And those are my Dream 100s, right? We start with the bottom of the list, like people more on your level, maybe not as big. And then we kind of step it up until we get to the top of the list, right? That's kind of what we want to think about. So what other vehicles are people trying to use? And then insert result they desire with insert your submarkets there. Okay, so basically, what's the result they want? And then you can figure out your submarket based on their desire, okay? So like I said, in the wealth core market, I kind of give an example with affiliate marketing. But for example, if you're looking at the real estate, you want to ask what other vehicles are people trying to use to make money inside the real estate sub-market, right? So if you're looking at wealth, then real estate, then we can start asking like house flipping or short sales or wholesaling. So you can start looking at those specific niches within the bigger niches. Okay, so once you figure that out, then you can kind of start building your Dream 100. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that here in a second. Okay, so what's next? After you finish filling in your Dream 100 worksheet, then you'll be ready to discover the hook story offer framework that you'll be using over and over again to pull people from your Dream 100. Okay, so guys, basically, what I mean by that, if we go back, let me see here. What you want to do, guys, is create a Dream 100 list, okay? So this is important to do. A lot of people don't do this because it takes a lot of time, but I promise you, it's pretty much necessary because you want to know who your target market is, right? And where are they at? If you know where your target market is at, you start asking the right questions on how you can pull that target market into your business, into your funnels, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's your own courses, it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, we know exactly where our target market is. And now we can start asking the right questions on how we can get those people in. So if you guys can see this here, you want to start pulling a list from like Facebook and blogging and websites and YouTube, Google blogs, and start figuring out where is your dream market, where is your Dream 100, and start figuring out your Dream 100. Okay, guys, that's going to be the next step for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be talking about hook story offer on how you can get the people from your Dream 100 onto your list. Okay, so we start getting into the juicy stuff. And I know the first part is kind of boring-ish. We start talking about the fundamentals, but it's really important that you understand this stuff. And then we'll go more into the strategy here in a little bit. So let me go to the next slide here. Guys, if you haven't got the book yet, make sure to get the book. I'll talk about that here in a second, but let me know, do you guys have any questions? Let me see if there are any questions so far before we move on here. Let me take a look. Okay, so no questions I see, guys. So one thing I do want to talk about is I won't leave these trainings on for long. So make sure you watch the live trainings later. Or make sure you watch the live trainings like right away, that way, because I'm going to put these trainings inside like a membership program. I'll be charging for it later. But for now, guys, let me know if there's any questions. I'll answer them even now. If you're on the replay, I'll answer it later. But I do want to talk about the Traffic Secrets book. If you have not got it yet, let me go share my screen again. Okay, so if we look here, give me 1 second. So to get the book, guys, I'm going to be giving, like I said, let me see. I have a bonus here. Okay, yeah. So if you haven't got the book yet, guys, head over to passiveincomelifestyles.com/traffic secrets, and you'll enter your email. You'll figure out that I have a bunch of bonuses for you guys if you order the book. Let me show you. Here's a couple of my bonuses here. I'm giving you all my YouTube scripts that way you can start your YouTube channel. As you know, I'm big on YouTube, so I want to give you all my scripts so you can start your YouTube channel. You don't even have to script out anything. You literally just copy it out. It's really, really easy, guys. That's one of my bonuses. Bonus number 2, you get all my YouTube SEO. You get my YouTube SEO course, which I show you how to rank YouTube videos at the top of YouTube, which, obviously that's going to bring a lot of traffic to your funnels and to your affiliate marketing businesses, okay? And then bonus number 3, this is actually bonus number 6, and this is my super bonus. You get my mastermind calls that I had with Kevin David, Dan Da Silva, and Josue Pena. The only thing with this one is you have to buy all the upsells within the Traffic Secrets book. There's I think like 4 upsells in there. So if you buy all the upsells, you're going to get all my recordings to this. I paid $25,000 to be in their mastermind. They literally helped me leave my job within 30 days. If you the first call was literally like, we're going to get you out of your job in 30 days. And really, really powerful call, guys. It's worth the money for sure. Like I said, I paid $25,000 to be in this mastermind. So you get all the recordings for that. Okay, that's my bonus for getting the Traffic Secrets book. But you can see more information on the website, passiveincomelifestyles.com/traffic secrets. Okay, let me see if there's any other questions, guys. If there's no other questions, then we'll go ahead and get off. But yeah, tomorrow we'll be talking about hook story offer. And, we'll start talking about more about, how we can really get dive deep into the, the actual strategy part of the Traffic Secrets book. So super excited, guys. I hope you found value in this. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, shoot me a comment, and let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you guys soon.